Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So happy you are here. First, I need to apologize for my voice. It's a little funky right now. Had a little bit of a sinus thing going on, so feeling much better, but the voice is still a little under the weather. All right, I want to address the new feature, which is the autosave. Not a big deal at all, and some people are going to love this. Other people are just going to feel like, oh, okay, and not really care. So let's just talk about it real quickly. I'm going to come in and let's start off by going to a new project. Blank canvas, left click, and start designing, left click. Automatically, you see the little save up here with the cloud. Your autosave is already on. So I'm going to add my logo here, and I'm going to type in autosave. And now we're going to leave. We're just going to leave. We're going to say, I'm going to work on something new. All right, so blank canvas. Start designing. You're working on something. Do you want to keep working on it or replace it with this new project? I want to replace it. All right, my new project is up. All right, let's go back home. There it is. Saved it automatically, even though I didn't save it. Now, it is an untitled project because I did not go to the trouble to manually save it. All right, so let's go back to our new canvas. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to leave this one in black. This time, I'm going to turn off the autosave. Let's go to a new project. Now it gives me these options. Do you want to save and replace, keep, or replace? Let's say, oh yeah, I need to save this. Now I have the option of going to Save Copy. I have the option of autosave. So I can turn on autosave. It's going to automatically save this now. But again, it's not going to have a name. See how it still says Untitled Project. So I can come over to Save Copy and I can give it the name. All right, let's give it autosave. And I can put it into a collection if I like. All right, let's go home and see what happened. Right, so here's the green autosave. Now all of these came up. I'm not sure why it saved it 3 times. That's interesting. Let's go to this one. And I don't want 3 of these, so I'm going to say Edit, and I can click Delete and Delete. So if this happens to you, this is how you can delete them. Again, I just bring it up, Edit Project Details, Delete, and Delete. And here's the second autosave. So I guess the thing we want to remember is we have a couple of options now. If we keep this turned on, we will continually save every single thing we do. Now, if you're an experimenter and you try something and it's like, oh, that is not what I want, you might be sorry that all of that got saved. However, if you're someone who forgets to save, you're going to love this feature. So I can see how it could be a double-edged sword here. Some people are going to love it. Some people are not going to love it. It's up to you whether or not you want to keep that turned on or not. If you turn it off, I'm not sure if it turns it off for every project or not. Let's find out. So we turned it off, and we're going to go to a new project. Blank canvas, start designing, replace, and it's automatically on when you come to your new project. Can you turn it off permanently? I do not see a place to turn off autosave just overall. So if you do not want to use it, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think you're going to have to turn it off for each project. individually. Will this show up on an old project that you've already done? Let's find out. Here's a project I did a long time ago. Let's say I want to come in and customize this. Yes, autosave is here. And like I said, this project is very old. So yes, it does appear on old ones. Okay, interesting. All right, I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions about autosave, please ask. I'll do my best to answer. I just discovered it today when I came into Cricut and updated. So let me know if there are any thoughts, comments, observations on this. And I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.